It's not a good day.
Did you see the crack and did you see the 2x4 get broke? Where's the 2x4?
I mean, every time we ship anything, it's stressful, whether it be livestock or glass or.
Apparently, the tank I've been waiting for about a year, there was a crack in it.
Guys, I just got here, straight from Reefapalooza here. I was pretty much flying last night, got here around 1:30, got some sleep, and here I am at Polo Reef. Today we are getting the delivery of the 900. Oh my goodness, I just talked to Andrew. We're very excited. Sadly, he couldn't be here. He is actually in Bahamas with Mrs. Polo Reef. They're chaperoning a school trip for their daughter. So, Andrew, we got this. But again, very stressful. This is the first time I ever get to see this. So it's like once in a lifetime experience. So I'm here like shaking, guys, because I really want this to go well, and I want to make sure that when Andrew and Miss Polo Reef get back to see this beautiful tank, I cannot wait to see it. I missed the last 900 because I was away at work, but this time I'm here. I'm very excited, very stressed. It's very stressful. I cannot wait to see how it goes, and let's see.
It's beauty, Johnny.
Okay.
Joe, this is Joe.
big
Joe,
concern.
this is Joe.
Yeah, we met last time I was here.
Round 2 of drop down. We're gonna pull it off the truck, set it in the driveway, then get the crane up here, set up on the outriggers, and hopefully get it over the house. And then we'll take a look inside once we get it inside, so it's final resting spot.
Last year, the first attempt for the delivery of the 900 drop-down tank failed. You can find the link to that video on the screen. The first time was a letdown. It didn't even get off the delivery truck. The second time should be a charm. The 900 gallon will need to go through several stages before it gets inside the house, all of which are very critical. Jonathan, being the lead for this, has had the weight of the world on his shoulders since last year. Everyone at Polo is super anxious to see how this will go.
He's gonna start smoking today.
Patty says no cracks.
I'm sending him a couple of, is he on the?
That's mom and
Oh, okay.
Now that the tank is on the ground, the plan is to have the crane boom it up and over the house towards the back door to the basement. After that, it'll get dollied to its final resting place. That makes it sound very simple, though.
Hold this here. Like they're just gonna lift it up and down.
Here, come up, swing over here, over the chimney, and straight down
So
there.
it's gonna swing this way.
I think if you just went down by the kitchen, you get the best effect.
Yeah, the kitchen is off. That,
Yeah.
that, like.
Good. Think positive, positive things happen.
Crazy again.
Right, but when you pull in a little, are you going to flex it like this?
No, it's not going to be pulled in. We're going to keep the angle.
Oh, with the chain blocks?
I mean, if you want, since it's uneven, put the 2 1-tonners in the front.
I got 2 short bubble.
Okay, there you go. That's fine.
What we'll do is put the slings up and then make up the difference in distance with the come on.
Okay.
Trim the hard iron.
Exactly. We'll use like 16 footers or something just so it's not pulling in tight.
Yeah, and I added a removable leg.
You can put it on dollies.
Put this
Get
on
down,
dolly,
get down the
slide it
stem.
over.
Use a pallet jack inside. You know, jack it up. Move the dolly back, and then just dolly it in. And then we'll pick it over the pipe.
It's definitely something. It's definitely something. Hopefully it goes well. Hopefully nothing breaks, and that's all we can hope for at this point. That's it.
Oh my God, it's an AFib. Call 911. Ice cube and 2 sugars.
No
All right?
sugar.
No sugar, sorry.
Black ice cube.
Don't make him one.
Let's just say his blood pressure is high enough right now.
He's coughing. Well, they're figuring how to strap the tank and keep it balanced since the tank is shallower on one side and deeper on another. So the key is to keep it level at all times while it's being lifted. And also, you don't want to have top pressure against the top rim, so they'll put spreaders apart. I hope I don't have to give him mouth to mouth, because that's what I'm afraid of. I don't like kissing men.
He does.
Let me die.
But I won't let him die.
Everything's gonna be okay.
The crew is making sure everything is lined up. There are a million ways this could go wrong and turn out to be a scene and final destination. The 900 drop down might want the easy way in, entering the house right through the roof. We definitely don't want that.
I smoked already a pack of Marlboros this morning.
There's only 1 inch clearance for it to land between the steps and the door. Yeah, that's terrifying. Yeah.
That's
And then I think with the crane, they're gonna like keep it on the crane and push it into the spot, then release the whole thing.
This is insane.
Hope it's not windy.
I know.
When it's on the ground again, I'll be happier.
This is it, man. Let's see. This is it.
Before we move on with the action, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to learn more about fish, corals, and reef keeping. There's a ton of valuable information on our channel that could amount to a degree. Now, let's get back to the action.
Oh my God, this is crazy. You don't see every day.
Dream team, dream work, miracles.
They only happen in Polo Reef.
Not gonna have an issue. We're gonna have to go through the house to get it in.
Nah, they will there.
He would. He'd be like, I'm carving up the house.
I just don't want that block to swing into that gutter.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching that piece, guys.
No, put the foot center up on
Yeah, there you go.
It's like the wheels of the tank flying.
blue stuff.
Quarter inch.
That's why it's on the floor.
Worried about that for a second.
We could bring the forklift in here.
Try it out.
Now that we're done with the sketchiest part, the crew has to dolly in the tank through the basement door with just a few inches of clearance. Some of us might be relieved, but it isn't over yet.
You're higher than the pipe right now.
Are you?
You need that foot?
Question is this, boys.
Almost.
He's good. The tank inside is better now. You're gonna have a coffee now.
Hold on. I think you have to swear.
Aquaman, don't take these shit.
We're good.
We have like.
We're at the final stretch. The tank is just a few inches from its final resting spot. It's still a very tedious process to get this on the floor. The crew has to be very careful. The last step could make or break the day.
Looks good. I mean, I like it. It works. No breakage. No crack. This whole basement's gonna be flooded, and we gotta make this whole entire room. No, we gotta make this whole.
It's a bad word.
The whole basement has to be a fish tank. That's the next move. You walk down the stairs, and it's just water.
I think
You have to swim.
Is
Hot now. It's probably for the better.
he said?
To cut that out.
I think he have enough. Yeah. No, we're in good shape. Just have to drop it on the put it on the ground.
Like a foot away from being good.
It's probably for the best. They're away. Probably for the best. You'd be a.
Yeah, I'll put that.
Got that.
Get uneven, like just tilt that end down.
can't even get
Flip
the-
pallet jack in here.
Joe's got the better eye.
No, that block.
This is the one time when being smaller helps. 5 better than 6 today.
That doesn't happen.
Maybe it's cold.
Yeah. Yeah. Please.
Or maybe got the foot there. You want to come over and grab 2 dollies, put it down, and then take these blocks out, grab it. Right there. Try like 2 pumps left.
Hold on. On this end, I think we're gonna need. This one? Yeah, but we have to be so high this thing will go all over the place. Are we gonna clear that base mold? No, we have to down. Push in. I pinch it right here, but put something there so the pinch bar doesn't crack.
Crack the piece of masonry off.
There you go. Good. Good job. Where it's going?
Good.
Play.
Today we moved in the 900 drop-down tank that we've been waiting for. It's 108 inches long, 30 inches on the shallow part, 48 inches here, and 36 inches front to back. We offloaded off the moving truck early this morning with a forklift. Then we got it uncrated and set up on the crane, flew it over the house, down into the stairwell, and dollied it in. Then we were able to just remove it from the dollies and put it into its final spot and get it all leveled up, which we did this afternoon. And the next process will be plumbing it and getting it aquascaped. Being that this is the second go around with getting this tank, this was a very stressful day, and I'm glad to say that everything went well. And it's a big load off my shoulders, and everybody else is here. Just glad to be having it in its spot.
Well, there you have it, folks. The second time, it is a charm. We are one tank closer to hitting our goals. We have been going at it hard these past few months, and we'd love for you to enjoy it all. Don't forget to watch our past videos on the channel. Hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Until next time, we're out.